My people, e don settle. They say the fisherman now don dey run for inside water as the fish wey wan go catch come turn come dey pursue am. The information wey we dey get from Finland na be say they say that the Finland government don drag the Federal Republic of Nigeria go for ICC International Criminal Court. They say make they come answer for inside that area since they refuse to bring evidence to prosecute Simon Ekpa in Finland on their terrorism can charge wey they don bring come outside. They say for inside the area nobody gree show face. My people, we go play the video as this our brother take dey analyze am how e take dey happen before we go come back come join for inside another update. Don't forget say see there for Pop Info News. Here we bring you update as it dey go. My wonderful people, please rush and follow our Facebook because that Facebook you need to go far. It's still there dey waka rego like say I no get people wey be say I get many people for here wey dey view. If you know say you never follow that page, quickly go and follow right now and subscribe to our YouTube channel Pop Info News. Here we dey bring you ogbonge news as it dey go. My people, let us watch this video before we come back and continue.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to all of you, pending where you are coming from. Now, a big problem is on ground now. Now, since on the 29th of November, we have been calling on Nigerian government to bring forward evidences against Mazi Simon Ekpa, which has alleged that he's a terrorist, he's the one destroying the southeast, and all of a sudden nobody is showing up again. But the one way he can't tire me now, we say Finland has sued Nigerian government. They have just sued Nigerian government of recent, and now it is now left for the Nigerian government to come and defend this allegation in ICC. This is Criminal Court of Justice. Now, Finnish authorities sued the Nigerian government for alleging that Simon Ekpa is a terrorist, is the one inciting violence in the southeast and carries so many attacks by killing his own citizens in the east. Simon Ekpa claims that he is the prime minister of the Biafran government in exile who is defending the southeast of all terrorist attacks from the Fulani henchmen. And you see, the truth is that Nigerian will never tell you the truth. The truth is that the government of Nigeria knows that they have been sued in ICC, but nobody wants to show up again. This is a man that they call terrorist. This is a man they wanted to destroy his reputation. This is a man that Nigerian government said he is the one, he is the cause of the insecurity in the southeast. And how come all of a sudden none of them is talking again? Now, how come all of a sudden no news reporter is reporting Simon Ekpa's case again from Finland? How come? Because they know what is going on. The Nigerian government know what is going on. With what I am seeing, Nigeria know exactly what is going on. But they don't want to showcase it because Tinubu is a thief. They thought this was Africa where they can come and, bribe their way in. That's what they thought. They thought this is Nigeria where they can use money to bribe everybody. When I told you people that Tinubu is a corrupt man, he's corrupt, more corrupt than the devil himself. You people think I'm joking. Most of you came here and started lying and started insulting me on my platform. Some are saying that they hate, what is it called, the Biafrans. And that the Biafrans will buy. So, but we are calling on Nigerian government, Tinubu, Shetima, Chief of Army Staff, which is General Christopher Musa, you must come to that ICC because you brought up this case of Mazi Simon Ekpa. You were the one that you were calling this man every time, Mazi Simon Ekpa terrorist, Mazi Simon Ekpa terrorist. So now that they have called you to come, they sued Nigerian government, you will come and defend it. And you will come and defend the people you killed, your soldier killed in Aba, your people killed in Aba, those two people that they killed and burnt them, you will come and defend it. Because you see, this time around it's no good. When we were declaring the independence state, some illiterate lawyers that came and said, oh, we are comicals, we are jokers, we don't have sense. How can somebody declare that? Come on, I keep asking question. Why is it that when it gets to Igbo people's, pain, it becomes inferior? Why is it that when it gets to anything that the Igbo man is doing, you don't want to hear about it? But Chief Sunday Adeyemo, aka Igboho, went to Britain, House of requirement to submit a document, in which we don't know what was in the document. None of you spoke about it, but you could talk about the one that Simon Ekpa is doing. And now that same Simon Ekpa and the Finnish authority have sued you, Nigerian government, criminal government, and none of you is talking about it anymore. But you're going to come. You are going to come. You see this one that you people did, because you people shot the first bullet and you went and take cover. But you are coming to defend these lies against our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa. You know, this is what he has been waiting for. And finally, the opportunity has set himself. You think he will back down? I know who he is. Nigerian government, una better don't come finish. And let me address the CGN, because I thought you were educated, but I can see that you are an educated fool with money in your mind. They bribed you to, start saying all this nonsense about Simon Ekpa. But now you will come to Finland. I know you don't have any experience of war. You will come to Finland, so that when you choose money over your career, over your life, then the aftermath is what you are saying and what you are going to see. And you see those people that you killed in Aba and burnt them, you will come and tell us their offense and how they were tried before you killed them. You see, after this, our, plans, Nigeria, you will never remain the same. You called us a terrorist. And I have some useless northerners. There are so many sensible ones among them, but some useless northerners coming to ask the EU that they should prescribe Mazenand Kanu a terrorist. They should prescribe IPOB a terrorist. IPOB. Do you know the meaning of IPOB? The indigenous people of Biafra. Who are the Biafrans? People like us that are abroad. You think they don't have sense? You don't. When you people talk, we can see so much hatred, bitterness in your words because you don't like the Igbo. Let us go. You don't want. Let us remain and do our business in peace. No, your own is you get jealous of us anytime we buy big cars, anytime we build our houses. If we are living comfortably, you are jealous of us. Allow us to go, you refuse. But this time, this is the end. Because Biafra has come, and spoiler alert, the next president of United States is Donald J. Trump. That one, they hear. This prescription that you want them to prescribe IPOB, we will see how it goes. Terrorist country, terrorist nation. Those of you that are asking me, what passport did I use in traveling? What passports am I using? I am using the nonsense Nigerian passport that cannot get you anywhere, apart from when they see that you have a certain amount of money. When I've lived in England for how many years? When I want to go to any country, when I show them my residential permit, they allow me to go. A very useless country indeed. Useless country. You are coming to prove that in ICC. None of you want to show up again. After calling Simon Ekpa a terrorist, after calling Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist, we told you that the kidnap of Nnamdi Kanu will be the end of Nigeria. You refuse. You think we are joking. But we told you that you can only kill the flesh. You cannot kill the ideology of Biafrans. And we have risen up to fight and take back our land. Musa, remove your soldiers from.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. My people, you don't read though, and I don't see them. As it they go right now, say this Nigeria issue, they go the wrong kitty, they wrong kata. Now so they run go carry Mazin and the Carlo get rapper from Kenya, come for Nigeria, everybody shout yes. They go do this one, they go, but when we can reach for their own court, they say the rule of law can't take place, so now they say and the Carlo not do anything. Leave and Kwan, they say no, they still hold am. The day where the world go stand up now against Nigeria for that act, where did they act? Everybody go say, our country no put tomato, but now on another advice on a deaf and dumb government, may they do the needful. They say no to leave Nnamdi Kanu. For this Simon Ekpa matter, una don't see them. They say the ICC now, as it be like they don't call them, say may they come and represent themselves for nobody to be seen. Everybody want to see Simon Ekpa prosecute, but come bring the evidence, come court, and they say no again. My people, share this video and make sure say you go follow our Facebook page. I thank God beg una mona they follow that page. Mona they follow the page. Pump Info News. Follow the page. I thank God beg una. My people, we go leave am for here and we'll quickly see you for another update or bring update where they come. I know say they choke our update to may no miss anyone because information now be the key. For this matter, we dey here and we go the supply update they give you. Your own now to share the video. share so that people go also dey follow up know how e take dey go. We go see you for another update. May you share.